Hey everyone, this is Owen from Storyboard That, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can add Storyboard That as an app in your Schoology dashboard. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this drop down right here and just go to my App Center. And that's going to bring you to all of the different apps that Schoology has. And as you can see, there's quite a few, so it can be a little bit hard to sort of parse through everything. So what I'm going to do right now is just Control F and search for Storyboard That, and that'll bring you right to Storyboard That. Now notice how it's LTI 1.3. That's very important. If you have our old Storyboard That app installed, you're going to want to remove that and make sure you get the LTI 1.3 version. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the app, and you can see there's this install option right here. So let's go ahead and install it and agree to these terms and conditions and continue. And we're going to add it to my whole organization. I want it for my whole school. And that's going to add it right to my organization's app, but I'm not done yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to configure. And it's going to bring you to my configuration page. And you're going to notice the deployment ID right here. We're going to want to copy that. That's a very important number. So I just hit Control C to copy it. Next, I'm going to flip over to my Storyboard That account, where I'm going to basically tell Storyboard That I'm using Schoology. So I'm going to go to my little head and shoulders right here, and I'm going to go to my settings. And you'll notice this little account level settings icon right here where we can connect to my LMS. That's my learning management system. And we've got the Schoology window right here. So all we got to do is just enter our deployment ID in the field that says add your deployment ID for Storyboard That and just submit it. And once you hit that submit button, everything is good to go. So be sure to check out our other video of how to actually create an assignment in Schoology for Storyboard That, which I'll link in this help doc. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Have a great day and happy storyboarding.